Hello everyone. Today we will talk about why in-roof is better than the traditional solar roof. Major brands across India choosing in-roof solution to power their factories, warehouses and offices. The solar industry is calling it the roof of the future. But what makes in-roof so special and how it is better than the traditional solar roof? Let's find it out. Number 1. Innovative design. Traditionally, solar panels are installed on top of the roof, but with in-roof, solar panels are become the primary roof of the building. The solution is customized according to the building's architecture and panels are integrated in a such way that there is no protruding hardware. The end result will look modern and aesthetically pleasing. Number 2. Better efficiency. Solar panels on metal roofs tend to heat up quickly, which reduce their efficiency. But in-roof solve this problem. With a roof made up of solar panels, there is ample space for free air circulation. The panel remain cooler and generate 10 to 15% more electricity. Not just that, in-roof can fit 26% more panels in the same space and also generate significantly more power than the traditional solar systems. Number 3. Leak-proof solution. Since in-roof act as the primary roof of the building, there cannot be any space of leakage. The solution achieves this with a double layer of protection that can withstand even the heaviest rainfall. And yes, the structure is also fully corrosion proof, making it durable and long lasting. Number 4. Highly adaptable. In-roof works for all roof styles and types of industrial buildings. It also compatible with all solar panels and inverters. For new buildings, in-roof is integrated with the foundation itself. And even in old buildings, you can easily replace your metal roofs with this solution. Moreover, in-roof can be scaled up to a 10 megawatt capacity, giving you a solar farm right on your roof. Number 5. Cost effective. In-roof cost about the same as traditional rooftop solar system with metal sheeting. In fact, it is more cost effective as you are getting a functional new roof without paying for additional building structures. Plus, with its high efficiency, you can recover your investment in just 4 to 5 years. In-roof is smarter, more sustainable and far more efficient than the traditional solar rooftop. Truly a better way to solar. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you want to know more about the in-roof solution.